Chapter 1 Product Introduction.
This equipment is a diesel engine training platform designed using refurbished Isuzu 4JB1 engine. This training platform showcases the basic principles and structure of the Isuzu 4JB1 diesel engine and can simulate its operation. By using this training platform, students can gain a deep understanding of the knowledge and skills of diesel engines, and it can improve the practical ability of students. This device consists of engine signal indicator instrument module, engine system circuit diagram module, engine small control panel, fuel tank, storage battery, and the fault setting module, engine body and other components, etc.
Chapter 2 Operating Instructions and Precautions.
Next, I will introduce the operating instructions and precautions. Strictly follow the equipment manual and operating specifications for operation. Do not touch high-speed rotating components such as cooling fans with your hands or body while the device is running to avoid injury. Do not touch the engine body or other pipelines with your hands or body while the device is running to avoid burns. Pay attention to the operating status of the equipment, such as whether the sound, temperature, and indicator lights are abnormal. It should be operated and maintained by trained professionals.
Chapter 3 Training Courses. 1. Introduction of main components.
Next, I will introduce the main components and functions. Engine signal indicator module, displaying engine signals. Engine system circuit diagram, showing the structure of the engine system circuit diagram. Engine fuses and relays protect the engine system circuits. Dashboard assembly. Display signals such as rotational speed and water temperature. Preheating timer, its function is to preheat the engine. Ignition switch controls engine start and stop. Fuel tank, providing fuel to the engine. Battery, providing power to the engine and storing electrical energy. Engine body, displaying the composition of each system of the engine.
2. System Working Process Demonstration.
Next, I will demonstrate the working process. Firstly, before operating the engine, ensure that the fuel tank is filled and the battery is charged. Ensure that the battery switch is closed. The device has not been running for a long time. Need to press the pump on top of the oil-water separator. Then turn on the ignition switch. The engine signal meter lights up. Engine operation. The instrument panel lights up, displaying the oil level and water temperature. The demonstration is over.
3. Electrical Signal Measurement.
Next, we will conduct signal testing. Measure the power input signal of the engine system. Firstly, we set the multimeter to the DC 60 volts gear. Insert the black probe into the ground terminal. Insert the red probe into the constant power input terminal. The first terminal displays constant voltage. The second terminal also displays constant voltage. The third terminal also displays constant voltage. The fourth terminal also displays constant voltage. The signal test is over.
4. Fault Setting and Troubleshooting.
Next, I will demonstrate fault setting and troubleshooting. This device has a total of 3 faults. We will use G01 fault as a demonstration. Now we are setting up G01 fault. Turn on the ignition switch and start the engine. The engine cannot start. We set the multimeter to the DC 60 volts gear. Measure whether the starter relay coil is energized. Turn the ignition switch to the start position and there is no change after starting. It means that there is a problem with the G01 fault circuit. Restore the fault. Then turn on the ignition switch. Engine starts normally. Troubleshooting.
Chapter 4. Equipment Maintenance.
Next, I will introduce equipment maintenance. Regularly clean the dust and debris on the surface of the equipment to maintain cleanliness and tidiness. Regularly check whether the connection terminals, plugs, sockets and other connection parts are loose and deal with them in a timely manner if necessary. Regularly conduct equipment function and performance testing to ensure normal operation. Timely replace aging and damaged components such as fuses, leakage protection switches, etc.
Thanks for watching.